Continuing coverage of a story we first brought you several weeks ago, a mother in Muskegon County faces charges after her 15-year-old son with special needs was found dead in their family home.
And days later, the teenager's brother also charged with child abuse. Our Michael Martin was in Muskegon this morning as the mothers appeared back in court.
Prosecutors are calling it one of the worst cases of child abuse that they've ever seen. On Thursday, a Norton Shore's mom charged in the death of her teenage son was back in court as the unfortunate case moves forward.
Shanda Vander Ark.
This is 43-year-old Shanda Vander Ark in a Muskegon courtroom Thursday morning, facing charges for murder and child abuse in the death of her 15-year-old son, Timothy Ferguson.
I know that the defendant was working as a law clerk for Nuevo Circuit Court. My understanding is right up to the point that she was arrested.
Investigators say the former law clerk subjected the teen, who had special needs, to punishments including ice baths and being fed nothing but bread or bread soaked in hot sauce.
There is potential with lack of memory in this case to the allegations.
On Thursday, Shanda appeared in court for a preliminary exam, at which point her public defender requested forensic examinations for her competency.
It is my understanding, Your Honor, she's had previous counseling.
And relating to whether or not she can be held criminally responsible in the case.
Well, unfortunately, we do see quite a few child abuse cases come through the system. This is, in terms of severity, though, certainly with a child actually dying as a result of the neglect or abuse, this is very unusual. And certainly in my years of experience, one of the most just heinous and horrific cases that we've seen of child abuse.
Shanda and her boys used to live in Oklahoma before coming to West Michigan. Matt Roberts with the Muskegon County Prosecutor's Office says Child Protective Services had to get involved with the family down there as well.
They obviously felt at some point there was a basis to at least state that her rights should have been terminated, but for whatever reason they decided not to go forward.
Shanda was arrested for her son's death back on July 8th. Just days later, her older son, 20-year-old Paul Ferguson, was charged with child abuse.
For the role that it appears that he took place in administering some of the disciplines that have been talked about and took part in what had taken place with the brother.
She's expected back in court in late October, when Judge Maria Ladas Hoops, who is overseeing her case, will check on the status of Shanda's forensic evaluations.
But at the end of the day, we have to do what is right at this point because of what happened to this child.
For more information on where these cases stand, you can check out our web article up now at fox17online.com. For now, though, in Muskegon, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.